Now, do you remember I said that the constant will go away if you know something about the initial conditions? So I want to give you an example of that. Here, this is my derivative. Y dashed is equal to this. And I know that y is 13 when x is 1. So let's see what happens. If this is my derivative, then y is the integral of that. Well, the integral of a constant is 4x. And the integral of this, well, this was 3x to the negative 2. Maybe I should write that actually. It might confuse you less. Let me write this slightly differently. Y is the integral of 4 minus 3x to the negative 2 dx. Just thought this might be clearer. So that's 4x. Now this one is minus 3 x to the negative 1 divided by the new power negative 1 plus a constant. I'm just going to simplify this a little bit. 4x plus 3 on x plus the constant. Now, I happen to know that when x is 1, y is 13. So let's put that point in. When x equals 1, 13 equals 4 times 1 plus 3 on 1 plus the constant. Now can you see where we're going with this? I can solve for the constant. 13 equals 4 plus 3 plus my constant. Well, that's 7, so my constant must be 6. Therefore, I know that my y is actually from here, but with my constant put in, 4x plus 3 on x plus 6. So if I 6 and I wrote c, 6. So if I know the initial conditions, once I've got my indefinite integral, that's what that's called, indefinite integral, I can substitute my initial conditions and work out the function more fully. Thought I'd give you another example of how to work out the constant when you have the initial conditions. So here's my y dashed, and there's my initial condition. First step, work out the integral. So y is the integral of x squared plus 2x minus 3 with respect to x. Oh, I put the bracket on the right, so I better put the bracket on the left. Well, this one is x cubed on 3. This one is x squared, because it was 2x squared divided by 2, so it's x squared. And this integral of a constant is 3x, plus some constant. But what I know is, when x is 3, y is negative 4. So let's put that in. When x equals 3, negative 4 is 3 cubed divided by 3 plus 3 squared minus 3 times 3 plus a constant. A lot of 3's in there, aren't there? Okay, 3 cubed is 27 divided by 3 is 9. 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9 plus my constant. 9 plus 9 is 18 minus 9 is 9. So that's 9 plus my constant. So my constant then must be negative 4 take 9 is negative 13. So now I can write my y. Y is x cubed on 3, what I had up here, plus x squared minus 3x plus my constant, which is negative 13. Actually, I probably should have just written minus 13 instead of plus negative 13, but this is still correct.